Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at a new style by Gabor. This is Femme and Flirty in the color Soft Shades Sunkissed Beige. There's a lot of detail here. This is a really unique style coming up. This wig style was sent to me by Wig Studio One so I could review it for you today and give you all of the details. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you drop below this video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link. It'll be labeled Gabor Femme and Flirty. If you click on the link, it'll take you right out to the site. You can see all of the colors and pricing. If you have questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com, and don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. So let's get down to it. I just got back from the dental office today and I wanted to review this wig, but I really didn't feel like putting makeup on. And I do like reviewing wigs without makeup from time to time because that gives you a little bit of a different perspective. Wig style can appear different based on whether you have makeup on or you don't, what kind of makeup you're wearing, what the occasion is. And I want to stress that this style here is really versatile. It looks great without makeup. It is a fun shake and go kind of a style, but it also can get really glammed up and have a sophisticated look to it as well. This is a part of the Gabor's luxury collection. You're going to see an amazing cap on this piece. It features a full lace front, left monofilament side part, and then it's open wefted sides and back. It's a short, very wearable style. It has big kind of fluffy blown out volume and a longer nape. You're gonna see how long this nape is. And for those of you out there that really enjoy short styles, but you really are sensitive to that nape measurement, this nape, I assure you, is long enough to cover the longest natural hairlines. Right in the front is about 3.5 inches. And then you have 5.5 inches at the crown, another 3.5 on the sides, and then a 3.5 inch nape. And that nape, like I said, it stretches well below any natural hairline out there. And it's just a really long taper effect there. We talked about having a lace front and left mono part. Let's check this out. The lace front is done impeccably. Actually, this Gabor luxury collection is just really a step up for Gabor. And you'll find a nice fine knotting process right along that lace and along that monofilament part there with no seam in between. It's a very natural look. You can get some up and over type styles. And with the 3.5 inch bang, you're able to scoop that bang just over the eyebrow in any direction and still have the nice realistic look. So it just looks like you've taken a round brush and sort of used a little bit of a blowout here. This is some nice natural volume. It does have some permatease to help sustain the shape and profile of the style, but it's not overdone. It's not too heavy. In fact, I'm not sensing any at all at the nape, and just a little bit on the temple, some on the top and back, but again, just a really nice amount. Now you're going to want to know a few things about this. First of all, the fit. What is the fit like? I find that it's very average. I had to cinch it in just a little bit to accommodate my petite average circumference. However, I was able to get a nice secure fit. So that is going to be key for you because a lot of Gabor styles do run a little large. So you may ask, Taz, did you do anything to this style before you reviewed it? And the answer is no. I literally took it out of the box, gave it an upside down shake, and then just kind of swirled around. I was shocked when I saw the profile picture because in the profile picture, the manufacturer's stock photos, it looks very sophisticated and kind of stiff looking, but it's absolutely not. This is made from the Flex Light fiber by Gabor. It is not heat friendly and it's a feathery, light, dry texture. So it just flutters on a breeze, a nice wispy look. It has a lot of flexibility and movement. To style it like the stock photo, all you would have to do would be to rake it back, kind of away from the face to create a little bit of feathering action there. But I don't care for my styles to be too sophisticated. And as a matter of fact, when I do get one that looks really sophisticated right out of the box or in the photos, I get in there and I mess it up. I think the sky is the limit here. You can do whatever you like with this one. And if you have a little bit of product to help hold it into place, I think you can get some really spiky looks as well. You could go easily from the office to an evening event in this style. We're gonna go through some of that in styling, but first I wanna talk to you about this color. Soft Shades Sunkissed Beige, which is GL23-101SS. So it is a platinum blend, basically. So the main color that jumps out at you is a cool platinum. And then within that, though, there's just a few sandy blonde notes in there. It's not enough to warm this up. This is a true cool color. And then the rooting sometimes is variable. You can see some brassiness in the rooting. It's a light root though, so if you really like a light root on a blonde, this might be one to take a look at. And this one isn't done too bad. Inside look at the cap for Femme and Flirty. This is a beautifully constructed cap, very high quality materials. You have a temple to temple lace front, seamless back into a very long left monofilament side part, a nice wide parting space. Lots of options for parting on this one. Then you have a velvet ear tab, lots of fiber spliced in. This has great coverage. And then you have an extended felted nape with Velcro style adjusters, lots of wefting. The cap is very lightweight, very airy and comfortable. This fits more average. So because this style has a little bit of permatease at the temple, I'm gonna check it out with glasses. It's a short style, it has a nice average density, and it fits nicely between the ear and the ear tab. So this is a glasses friendly short style. Let's go ahead and I'll just move this around. We'll do a few styling techniques. You can see some sophisticated looks as well as some casual looks. I think you're really gonna like this one, and it's rather unique with this longer nape. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon.